If you study hard at school, you will have a better choice of a career. Let's look at different possibilities. If you enjoy languages and literature, you will become a writer, a lawyer, or a journalist. If you are good at art, you will look for a career as a fashion designer, or maybe as an architect. Are you good at sciences? Then you will choose a career as a scientist. If you are good at maths, you can think about becoming an engineer. Do you like the idea of flying? How about becoming a pilot, or even an astronaut? If you like the idea of an active job, you might consider being a firefighter. And if you love animals, you might become a vet. It is a difficult choice, but an important one. Let's look at these careers again. So, a writer, a lawyer, a reporter, or a journalist is a good career if you like language and literature. A fashion designer or an architect was definitely good at drawing. An engineer, a scientist, a pilot, or an astronaut probably enjoyed maths and science subjects at school. A vet loves looking after animals, and a firefighter loves saving people.